So the med camp is something really different for me as a student. I live in Alice and it's a small town. You don't really see much of any of this. So it's nice to come out to Kingsville and get to experience like what school would be like in a few years for me when I graduate.
And in the time since then, we've been able to network with these students. We've been able to meet with them through Zoom. We've been able to do sit-downs with them to continue those conversations we started last year. So this year, we see some of the same faces from last year. We see a lot of new faces. 19 school districts, 400 kids coming to where they are to understand that we're committed to down here. We want to see them join our medical school one day. We want to show them how to get from where they are right now in high school to that point in a few years.
We came for the first time last year. I received an email, looked into the email, and I just felt that it will be beneficial for the students. They're giving a little insight here on letting the students know what this college has to offer, careers that the students can pursue here in the medical field. It's great. It's a new way, a new opportunity for them to get some extra hands-on skills training.